evening or good morning, beautiful people. I thought I'd just take you on a little journey. The last ride of my 2017 Yamaha Bolt. I haven't owned it for very long and I haven't put many kilometers on it. But I've decided now that I've turned 50, I need to get an adventure bike and do some solo camping trips with it. So, I'm swapping the old Bolt for, I guess you'll see it when we get on it. I also have a 2019 Suzuki Katana, which is a bit of my, that's kind of like my baby. So it would be nice to have a smaller little bike to thrash about on and off road. Not sure how much of the engine notes getting picked up either, but hopefully a little bit. It's a nice sounding bike, that's for sure. And it's beautiful to look at. It's just not too much for me. I pretty much scrape the pegs on every corner I take, like these. And it's quite slow, the old girl. I should have put my tinted visor on today. I'm getting that afternoon sun right in my eyes. It's beautiful. Got some cowboy right on my ass too, very nice. My eyes! Oh, look at this menace. Oh my. Oh, P-platers. Across the white line, solid line. You get to see the beautiful driving of these people. This guy's gonna try and fly past. He was a skater boy, said see you later boy. He had a Thrasher sticker on his Navara. And a Valentino Rossi sticker. Very cool. Speed camera on. I've got the crazed P-plater behind me too now. Oh god. At least I got to experience what it's like to ride a Harley, except one that's a bit more reliable. A Yamaha Harley. These things are awesome if you like cruisers, that's for sure. Oh man, I hope I bring my phone this time. I popped in to check out the new bike yesterday. Well, it's not a new bike, it's a used bike, but it's pretty much new. It was built in August 2023. It's only got 1,700 kilometers on it. It's got less than half the displacement of this Yamaha, but it has a better power to weight ratio, so go figure. It's a bit underrated, and a lot of true adventure enthusiasts may not consider it much of a adventure bike. It'd be a bit more like a road bike with the ability to do some light trails. But I've seen it ridden quite over some really serious stuff by some experienced riders, so it's definitely got potential. I'm definitely not going to miss the ass vibrations from this old girl. The seats on these things look kind of plush, but they really, after like 2 hours, your ass is numb. It'll probably be similar with the new bike though, I guess. Another P-plater, Lord have mercy. I was wondering if I'm going to need fuel before I drop it off, but the fuel light hasn't come on, so I'm not putting any fuel in it. Well, farewell, old girl. It's been fun. Oh, there it is. The nuggets. I don't know what to call it yet. Let me know in the comments. Super nugget. And roll. The KTM 390 Adventure. I'm not going to fit through that. I was so tempted to sidewalk mount that. It's got a bit of go, the little nugget. Surprising, actually. It does sound like a postie bike though, I will say that. Really easy to flick around, it's so light. I think it's almost 40 kilos lighter than my Katana. I can smell Weet-Bix. The Weet-Bix factory is near here. It smells delicious, actually. Comes with ABS, on-road and off-road ABS, on-road and off-road traction control, and an off-road and on-road ride mode or some shit. Backlit handlebar buttons is actually nice. Adjustable suspension, front and rear. It's quite a good package for the cost of these little things. I paid a whopping $0 for it, so you gotta be happy with that. Built in August 2023, still got factory warranty on it. So it's almost a new bike without the break-in period. It should serve me well on some journeys. Looking to take it camping, hit some light trails with it. race you, mate. This little windshield actually does a pretty good job. I can't feel any headwind. It looks like it's been raised up to the highest position, which is good. After I do all the luggage and all that good stuff for touring, well, I say touring, but it's mostly just to go camping and stuff. I'll probably look at getting a Fuel X tune box and chucking that onto it. That should help with some of its low down power, smooth it out a little bit, and also make it not run as lean as they do from the factory. Maybe chuck a $50 AliExpress baked beans tin on the back pipe, just for a bit more brrrr. These mirrors are kind of ass though, I'm not gonna lie. It is so light and nimble, holy smokes. I can just throw this beastie around. Look at that beautiful Christmas tree of traffic. Holy! And with the power of two wheels, the traffic is no longer. Excuse me, sirs and ladies. I'll just adventure my way through this shoulder. I am an adventure guy after all. Newly titled Adventure Man. If any of you guys own 390s, let me know in the comments what you've done to it, what I should do to mine, what not to do. I'd appreciate it. Do you know how tempting it is to just hop off and drive on the grass with this? I've never had that thought in my mind on any other bike I've ridden, but now I'm just looking at all the different tracks and trails off the side of the road that I just want to hit, and that is that could be a good thing and it could be a very bad thing. Excuse me, adventurer coming through. Grand adventurer, priority access. Don't mind me, don't mind me. I'm just gonna tuck in behind this little RAV4. Thank you, sir, thank you. Go, baby. New nugget. What a beast. Uh-oh. Ah! He apologized. Good on him. Throw this bitch around. Oops, sorry, I shouldn't say that. You really got to get up it though. Got to sit in that power band. Seems to be 5k and above. Oh man, it loves to be thrown around. It is so fun. Holy. Oh no, it's another P-plater. In an MG of all things. I'm gonna rip it back home, eat some food. Thank you guys for joining me. I'll see you in the next one. Bah!